Still 1 minute is there. For that, are you enjoying this topic called as LR, logical reasoning? Are you enjoying? समझ में आ रहा है? Can you solve your homeworks? Majority of the sums you should be able to solve. Okay. Yeah, it's interesting, definitely. For CA foundation, this is last topic. Definitely, it will not get over today. Blurred relation. Last topic we are into. Okay. That doesn't mean I'm going to say bye to you. After LR, I'll come with some mathematics topics also. I'll be taking some mathematics topics also, maths topic also. Once again, let me tell you all, say, whether it is foundation, whether it is CS, this maths paper, okay, for foundation, it's a maths paper. It is 40 marks maths, 40 marks stats, and 20 marks LR. LR is logical reasoning. In order to pass, you should score minimum 40. Minimum 40 altogether. Stats plus maths plus LR, 40 marks. So maths and stats, some of you may find it a bit difficult. LR is easy. Try to score maximum. I'm not saying you'll, if possible, yes, 20 out of 20, why not? But 1 or 2 questions, you may go wrong. If you go wrong by 2 questions, so -2 plus 0.25 for CA foundation, I'm talking about. 0.25 plus 0.25, that is another half mark. That is, you will lose 2.5 marks. So let us take 3 marks lost. So at least 17 should be your target. Minimum target should be 17. You will attempt all. Assuming do mistake kiya, so 2.5 marks jayega, 2 because you made it wrong, and negative marking 1/4, that is 2.5 mark. Another is, you will not in paper, maths paper, whether it is CS or foundation, whatever your paper, okay, in that you will not have straight 20 questions on LR. Out of 100, 20 questions will be on LR, definite. Now, you may have first question on LR, then question number 36 on LR, in between your stats and maths, and then so on. So, out of 100 questions, 20 questions will be on LR, 20 questions. For CS, it will be 25. For CS, it is 25. For CA, it is 20. Another point is, your question number 1 will not be question number 1 for the next students. Same 100 questions. My 100 questions and the person or the student who is sitting next to me is also having same 100 questions, same to same questions, but order is different. So you cannot ask first answer, second answer, and that copying is almost impossible because everyone is having a different order of questions. So remember that, okay? And try and score maximum for both CS as well as CA students. So we are for CA foundation. Today we are starting with a new topic called as blurred relation. Yes, in syllogism, there is one point to be explained to you. That is, we did everything, but then I'll be doing it once I finish with LR. That is, after maybe tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I'll be able to finish it. At the end, one question number 25, we solved it correctly. There is another easy method of solving that particular question, one particular question. So I'll discuss that later. Let's start with what is called as blurred relation. It's for both CA as well as CS. Topic, blurred relation. For CA foundation, it's the last topic. We did first series. For CA foundation, I'm talking about. For CS, I'll be having few more sessions with you. But for CA, the first topic was your series. Along with series, coding, decoding, and odd man out. That was topic number 1. There was one topic called as directions. Okay. Then there's a topic called as syllogism. Then yesterday, what we did is sitting arrangement. One lecture, it got over. Okay. Practice more. I've sent you questions. Okay. So those questions PDF file is sent to you, or we have shared it with you. So solve those questions. Any doubt, you can always ask me. You can WhatsApp me. And now this is the 5th topic called as blurred relation. Every topic is equal importance. CA foundation, every topic is equal importance. 5 topics, every topic will have 4 mark question. So blood relation. Now this, what is this? This is a method by which we'll be solving all our sum. Can you see on the screen? There's something on the left side called as GPG, PG, OG, CG. Now what it is? One by one. First, GPG, full form of GPG. It's an abbreviation. Full form of GPG is grandparent generation. Grandparent generation. GPG, grandparent generation. Solve it by this method, which I am showing you. It's the best method to solve blood relation. You'll find them easy. Again, Ankit, may saying I can't see the screen. Log out and log in once again. Ankit, log out and log in. Yeah. So GPG is grandparent generation. Grandparent generation. Then now you know what must be the PG. PG is parent generation. Your mom, dad, mummy, daddy's generation. Grandfather generation, grandmother generation is the top. GPG, grandparent generation. You may have grandfather, you may have grandmother. We'll discuss that. PG is parent generation. OG is our generation. Apni generation. OG, our generation. Okay. The one who is solving the question, his generation is OG. So it's for me also OG, for you also it is OG. And CG is our children generation. Apne bachcho ki generation. Now you may require one step down also or one step up also, but mainly with these 4 steps it will get over. Most of the sums will be able to solve with these 4 levels. Okay, you may have great grandparent. We'll discuss that. Okay, now in GPG, first of all, can you see there on the screen now? You are here. Our generation, apni generation, you. Now you will have your grandmother, grandfather, their sibling, grand uncle, and grand aunt. Means what? Whenever in the question you will read grandfather, you will write them in the top line. Grandfather, grandmother, grandfather, grandmother, aji, azoba, nana, nani, dada, dadi. That comes there. Okay. Grandmother, grandfather. You may have maternal grandmother, maternal grandfather, paternal grandmother, and paternal grandfather. But then that will go here. Maternal means mummy's side. Mummy's daddy is maternal grandfather. Mummy's mummy is maternal grandmother. Okay. Ankit, can you see now? Not Ankit, Aniket. Sorry, Aniket. Yes. Okay, fine. So grandmother, grandfather. Now, grandmother's sister will be called as grand aunt. Grandmother's sister is your grand aunt, and grandmother's brother is your grand uncle. Grand aunt, grand uncle. Similarly with grandfather's brother is grand uncle, and grandfather's sister is your grand aunt. Okay. Then next, here your mother, father, their siblings, that is mummy's brother, daddy's brother, mummy's sisters, daddy's sister. Okay, so mother, father, their sibling, mother's brother and father's brother, both are here uncle only. Here there is no chacha, mama. Here it is uncle. Both are uncle. At the most, maternal and paternal it may be, but we don't say that. We say just uncle and aunt. Mummy's sister, mausi nahi hoti idhar, aunt. Father's sister, bua nahi hoti hai. Okay, that is also aunt. That's sibling. Then you may have your brother, you may have your sister, you may have cousin. Again, some of you say cousin brother, cousin sister. No, we don't say that. We just say cousin. We don't say cousin brother. We don't say cousin sister. Okay, cousin. Who is cousin? Your uncle's children. They are your cousin. Your aunt children, your auntie's children, they are also called as cousin. Then down, you may have your daughter, son, niece, and nephew. What is niece? Your brother's daughter, or your sister's daughter. Your brother or sister daughter is your niece, and your brother or sister's son is nephew. Even cousin's daughter and cousin's daughter and cousin's son is also your niece and nephew. And you may have on the top there it says grand. On the top you can see sometime you may have that great grandmother and great grandfather. इधर आपको अंकल आंटी की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी ग्रेट में, और आ गया. In any case, if you get it, they're just called as grand uncle and grand aunt. You don't have great grand uncle. Great grand uncle नहीं होता है. Great grandfather, great grandmother. That's all. Then uncle, if it is there, you will never have this. But if you have any time, then that will be just grand uncle and grand aunt. Okay. Now, I've not discussed other relation. There can be relations like brother-in-law, sister-in-law, daughter-in-law, son-in-law, Jamai Raja and all that, Bahu and all that. That I have not discussed, but I hope you know them. Okay. For your mother, your paternal grandfather. For your paternal grandfather for your mother is father-in-law. For your grandfather, your mother is daughter-in-law, and things like that. So we'll come across them. Okay, no doubt with this, whatever is there. In-laws, yes, in-laws relations also will be there. We'll have to deal with them also. In-law. So in-law mein father-in-law, mother-in-law, son-in-law, daughter-in-law. Therefore, in-law, father, mother, daughter, and son. In-law. Now, another is, whenever we'll discuss this, if there is a female, we are going to show it by a circle. Now, you can use any symbol. Here, I'm using circle for female. Like A is daughter of B. A is daughter of B. So I'll write B and I'll circle it because B is daughter of A. B is daughter of A. So B will be circled. A, we don't know daughter of A. A may be male, A may be female. So we will not do that. And for male, we'll be using a rectangle. Wherever I'll be using rectangle, once you know the gender, you should use rectangle. So why this signs are required? Dear student, that niece, nephew, son, daughter, in that case, you will require this. So the symbols. So wherever you will find circle, that means that is female. And wherever you will find rectangle, that is male. Okay. And then be careful about relation is required. The relation, which relation is required in the question. Just here, I'm showing you. Okay, just say this, what I mean by this point now. Now, these are you. Here, can you see now? I'm doing arrow. So your relation with mother is mother. But mother relation with you.
पढ़ाई के लिए मेहनत तो सब करते हैं, लेकिन स्मार्ट स्टडी कौन करता है? प्री एग्जाम ऐप के साथ बनाइए अपनी तैयारी सुपर स्मार्ट. प्री एग्जाम ऐप देता है वाइड रेंज के एग्जाम्स की तैयारी, जैसे जी, नीट, कैट, सीए फाउंडेशन, सीएस सीट, बैंकिंग, रेलवे, एसएससी, एमबीए एंट्रेंस, एसवाईजेसी, कॉम, टीवाईबी कॉम और भी बहुत कुछ. चैप्टर वाइज टेस्ट्स एंड मॉक टेस्ट्स, डिटेल्ड परफॉर्मेंस एनालिसिस, और अब तैयारी होगी एकदम परफेक्ट. कहीं भी कभी भी पढ़ाई करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक आपकी तैयारी को बनाए आसान. इंस्टेंट इवैल्यूएशन से तुरंत जानिए अपनी परफॉर्मेंस और पाएं पर्सनलाइज्ड फीडबैक. तो अब देरी किस बात की? प्री एग्जाम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और अपने नाम से रजिस्टर्ड करें और एक विशाल क्वेश्चन बैंक बिल्कुल फ्री और अपनी सफलता की कहानी लिखें. लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. प्री एग्जाम ऐप स्मार्ट तैयारी का साथी।
It's not your relation with the mother is mother. Mother relation with you is child, or you can say daughter or son. Depends. If you are a female, then it is daughter. If it is male, then it's son. So the relation is not same. So be careful with the question. What relation is asked, from you to mommy or mommy to you? Okay, that is what I mean by that last point. Be careful about which relation is required in the question. Let's go further now. The first question. How to solve? First question, try and understand, and then CS students, especially for CS, because CS student know this, how to read the sentence. Full stop, you have to stop, and but, comma, semicolon, and or. 5 things. One is full stop. F, A, F, A, B, C. A is and, B is but, C is comma, S is semicolon, and or. There you should stop. Now, these are working. But now you know what is GPG, grandparent generation. One line you should leave blank in between. Here I'm showing that pink line. One line blank, and then you should say PG. One line blank. OG, our generation, and then CG, our children generation. Now let us start reading. Okay. Now what it says, A is B's brother. That's all. Don't read further. Full stop aa gaya? Wait. Let us draw this. A is B's brother. A is B's brother. See, this is the way I'm writing. I'm writing that brother, sister. If it is father, mother, then I would have wrote it in the line of PG. If it is grandparents, then I must have wrote in that GPG line. Right now, I'm writing them in OG because brother, sisters, cousin comes in this line. Now, see this. What they are saying? A is brother of B. I wrote A, I wrote B, arrow from B to A, and it says brother. Now, when you will do it, there is no need to write brother in full. You may write just bro. You should know it is brother. Now, A being brother, we know the gender of A. A is male, and being A is male, rectangle for A. Any doubt with the first sentence? Why rectangle for? Why not there is any symbol for B? Why not rectangle, or why not circle? At present, by first sentence, we don't know gender of B. We know gender of A only. Okay. Next sentence. C is A's mother. C is A's mother. Do we have A in our diagram? The answer is yes. If not, skip this sentence and go to the next one. But here, C is A's mother. C is A's mother. Mother means female. Female, so circle and say arrow saying mother. C is A's mother. Mother will go up. Okay. If A children, A son, A's daughter, that will go down. Mother, father will go up. Grandfather will go still one line up in GPG line. Okay. Now think of, before reading the next sentence, when C is mother of A, what is relation between A and B? A is brother of B. So they are sibling. So that means C is also mother of B. Say this. Sorry. Question is giving C is mother of A. That's all. But before that, what they said, A is B's brother. So they are sibling. When C is mother of A, automatically C is mother of B also. Clear? Next, let us read the next sentence. D is C's father. There is a comma, so you should wait again. D is C's father. Do we have C in our diagram? The answer is yes. So now there, D is father of C. So above C, I'll write D, and father, being father, gender of D is his father. D is father, so gender is male, and being male, I'm putting a rectangle. Up till now, I've not done circle or rectangle for B, because up till now, nowhere it's given in the question gender of B. Directly, indirectly, gender of B is not given. Okay. Now next, E is B's son. E is B's son. Son of B. Son of B. So down is E. E is son. Now son means again male, so a rectangle. And last now, the question. How is D related to A? How is D related to A? Look at that arrow. D related to A. Arrow pointing to D. A's relation with D. Who is D for A? Answer. A, B, C, D में दे दो. Easy? Easy na? That is in which line it is? GPG line. So it is grand. Either grandparent or grandfather or grandmother. Being rectangle, it is father, male. So it is grandfather. Very easy. So first question is over. Is that clear how to go about? This is the best way. Generally, no. Stepmother, stepfather, they should say that. Stepmother, stepfather, maybe if you solve some 100, 200 questions, one of the sums may have that stepmother or stepfather relation. I can't say no, but very rarely. The question should say then stepmother, stepfather. Okay, let's go to the second question. Second question also I'll explain. From third onwards, you start doing it. I'll wait. Question number 2 now. The chart. GPG, grandparent generation, parent generation, OGR generation, CG, children generation. Now let's start. A is B's brother, full stop, so stop. A is B's brother. Draw this first. Don't read further. Only till full stop and but, comma, semicolon, and or. You should stop. So A is B's brother. A is B's brother. A is brother. So A gender we know. So rectangle for A. B gender we don't know. So no rectangle or circle for B. Further, C is A's father. C is A's father. So C I'll write above that. That is in PG line and A's father. If C is father of A, being father, gender is male, so rectangle. If C is father of A, definitely C is father of B also. If C is father of A and B, they are sibling. B's brother is A, so they are sibling. So if C is A's father, definitely C will be father of B also. Next, D is C's sister. D is C's sister. D is sister of C. So in that PG line, C is what? Father. So father ka line mein, sister. So D basically becomes aunt of A and B. Father's sister. Father's sister is aunt. Okay. D is C's sister. And because of and, I've stopped there. Now, E is D's mother. E is D's mother. If E is D's mother, E is D's, C and D, what is the relation? C's sister is D. So C and D are sibling. So automatically, even C's mother is E. Okay. C's mother is also E. Question is giving you D's mother, E is D's mother. If D's mother is E, D and C, C's sister is D, so they are sibling, and therefore C's relation with E is mother. E is mother of C also, okay, or C is the son of E. Now, how B is related to E? How B is related to E? B related to E. So arrow pointing to B, up to down. Be careful. What happens? B's father is C. C's mother is E. So E's son is C. C's child is B. Yes, correct. Answer is A. Next. Now this you do it by our method. Don't use any another method. Easy and simple way. Try and solve it. I'm giving you time and give me the answer. Okay, fine. No issues, Manav. No issues. I can understand. Solve this. Sentence by sentence. Initially, take time. Don't be in a hurry. Take your time. Initially, no hurry. Initially, don't look at time. We are just into the third sum. Speed will come once we cross 20. This is the best way to solve it. Correct. Now, let's say here. A is B's sister. A is B's sister. A is sister. So sister means female. So circle. Those who have solved it, check whether your working is exactly the same. Okay. Circle for A. Right now we don't know gender of B. It's not said A and B are sisters. It is said A is B's sister. So A is sister of B. C is B's mother. C is B's mother. Mother. So now if C is mother of B, definitely C will be mother of A also. Further then, D is C's father. D is C's father. So one line up above C. Father, being father, the gender is male and then rectangle. E is D's mother. E is D's mother. So it will go beyond ours. It may go sometime. It's not that it will be restricted to 4 lines. Now see, I'm writing that. So I left some space. E is mother. So circle. Mother of D. Then how A is related to D. How A is related to D. Then how A is related to D. A related to D. So why they have given that E then? Just to mislead you, misguide you, to confuse you. That A is mother of D. Nowhere we require that. D and A correlation. A's mother is C and C's father is D. Answer. D to A. A is what? Granddaughter. Correct. Very good. I'm happy when you solve. I'm very happy. That is, you are understanding and you are solving it. Now we don't have face-to-face lecture. So the answer itself tells me that is yes, you people are understanding it. So keep giving the answer. Okay. There's no need to type that granddaughter and all. You can type just A, B, C, D option. Okay. Next question. There should not be any doubt. Go ahead, do this. 4.